begin writing an informative or persuasive draft, you can use an outline to organize your ideas. An outline is an organized list of points you will make in your writing. Creating an outline will help ensure you have the information you need and that it's in a logical order before you begin writing. An organized outline will make it much easier for you to create a first draft of your writing. I've been asked to write an opinion essay about bats. First, I'll make sure I understand my task. It says to explain your opinion and reasons and support your opinion with evidence from research. Next, I'll find sources to research the topic and record important information. Then I'll use my notes to formulate an opinion. From my research, I found that bats are actually very helpful animals, even though many people fear them. You can begin your outline by creating a title, although you may choose to change it as you complete your outline and your draft. My title is Don't Fear Bats. The first section of your outline will be your topic sentence. Ask yourself, what is the most important point I want to make? My topic sentence is, people should not fear bats. Next, use your research notes to develop 2 to 3 main ideas that support your topic sentence. In my research, I discovered that bats are rarely dangerous to humans. I also learned that bats are helpful to our world. Then write 1 to 2 supporting details that support each main idea. These details should provide important evidence, examples, or reasons that you found in your research. For example, I learned that bats avoid people. That supports my main idea that bats are rarely dangerous to humans. I also discovered that bats eat mosquitoes and that bats pollinate plants. These 2 details support the main idea that bats are helpful to our world. After writing your main ideas and supporting details, end your outline with a concluding statement. This sentence should restate your topic sentence or summarize your main ideas. My concluding statement will be, many people are afraid of bats, but bats help humans more than hurt them. This outline will make writing my essay much easier.